do they call a membe in English? That's this part. How do they call it in English? Hi beautiful people, it's MOANA and welcome back to my channel. As of today, I'm in the kitchen as you can see, and I have been craving Kawunga kamuwogo. How is it called in English? Cassava ugali. I don't know. Please put it in the comment section if you know how it is called in English or Swahili, but as in Uganda we call it Kawunga kamuwogo. Yeah, and I've asked them what Kawunga kamuwogo is best served with, and most of them have been saying silverfish, MUKENE. You all know how MUKENE smells, really? Like how it smells when you're preparing it. Since the kitchen is in the house, I bet the scent is just going to be all over the house. But who cares? I'm craving. So they said it is best served with that silverfish, that's MUKENE, dry fish, or beef. So with this pandemic and the way the situation is, I decided to go with MUKENE. Yeah, so I'm going to take you through how I prepare MUKENE and how I mingle cassava posho. Is it cassava posho? How I mingle Kawunga kamuwogo on gas. Put it in mind, this is my very first time to mingle Kawunga kamuwogo. My first time, and worst of all, I'm going to mingle it on gas. I didn't think about this. Come to think about it, it might fail. I don't know, but regardless, I'm hungry and I want to eat, and I'm craving for Kawunga kamuwogo with silverfish. Let's see how that turns out as you join me in the kitchen. Before we start the preparation and everything, please show me some love, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for showing me some love. You're the real deal. I love you so much. And with that all said, let's prepare something. I'm going to use this pan to first smoke the silverfish, and then I soak it. This is the silverfish, the MUKENE I got from the market. First time preparing this thing. It really smells so nice. But is this really MUKENE? Is this MUKENE? This looks like kg. How can MUKENE be this big? So I'm going to roast this silverfish in the frying pan as I cut other things. MUKENE can really have a really strong scent. As it is drying, it smells so much. Okay, not in a bad way, but it really smells so much. So you have to cook when all windows are open. If you have a sigiri, a stove outside, I would suggest you prepare this outside, because the house is going to smell like MUKENE. You see how these are really turning brown? They have really turned brown. So at this stage, we add water. A little oil. guys, as water is getting ready, we get our flour. And I'm going to use half. I'm going to be standing on this because so that I can reach the stove very well without my back aching and I being standing on my tiptoes. So I'm going to stand on this. Some heat, I put my pan and add water. You guys, this is my very first time to mingle this cassava flour. I hope comes out perfect. Excited that my food turned out perfect. Okay, I have washed my hands. Let's add in some so I have been watching Eat the African Way test his own food and I was like, how does it taste? Like it must be fun. Yes, indeed it is fun. Okay, enough of talking. Please show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload something. Perfect. Kono me wetu sa tugenda sala mu mukene abe wabifi.